deber means to should or to must, which again, that's weird. We don't usually say you say I must, but you don't say to must or to should. So deber is typically going to have another verb right after it. I've got some examples, but let me think if you guys can think of any. How would you use must or should in a sentence? Antonio?
You can do it like, you must jump over the rope.
Okay, you must jump, okay? You must jump. Notice how it's two verbs in a row. What's another example?
I should get the
That's fine. I should get. I should get. See? Verb one, verb two. Verb one, verb two. Okay? Let me show you some examples where we know both of them. I should eat my vegetables, right? So I should eat my vegetables. How about how about he? Let's use a different subject. So how about he should read the book? Okay? He should read the book. Da, da, da. Okay, so you see that typically deber is going to be matched up with another verb. So what do we do when we have two verbs together? What do we do when we have two verbs together?
You conjugate them.
Okay, you would think you conjugate both of them, right? Well, in Spanish, you conjugate the first one and you leave the second one alone. Okay, so that's what you need to write down on your papel. When you have two verbs together in Spanish, let me use this one. Okay, so two verbs together, conjugate first only. You only conjugate the first. So let's go ahead and do this one. He should read. So how do you say he? El. And then he should would be what? Okay, you've got the root here, and then what's on the end? Just the E, okay? So el debe, so you've got that conjugated. And then how do you say to read? Remember that one? Leer, muy bien. Él debe leer. So he should read. Now, in your mind, you're probably thinking, well, that says he should to read. But it doesn't translate that way. It translates just he should read. What happens is, this first verb gets all the attention. Okay? Show stealer. Diva. All right, so that first verb is like, check me out, hey, aren't I cute, right? And that poor second verb doesn't get any attention. It's like, it gets ignored. It's kind of like it's not even there. It's just like, here I am. All right, so that's what happens with those two. Anytime you have the two verbs in Spanish, the first one gets all the attention and the second one gets none. All right, let's do one more practica. Let's do I should eat. How do you say I?
Yo.
Yo, and then how would you conjugate? Debo. Yo debo. And then to eat, comer. All right, so yo debo, again, deber gets all the attention. Check me out, I'm beautiful and wonderful, and comer gets left in the dust, okay? So that's how that works when you have two verbs together in Spanish, right next to each other, back to back. The first one gets the conjugating. The second one, you just use it, you just leave it in the infinitive. Personally, I think it's kind of easy because you don't have to deal with that second one. You just conjugate the first one according to the subject. ¿Preguntas?